can feel warmer already. Whew, that's nice. Also, we got the siren. Oh no, they're coming for me. Look out. They found this outlaw. Look out. What's up, Rabble Herd? The Rabble Wrangler here, and I'm excited to open a new product for you here today. We're already lit by Lume Cube. We got the LED light panel right there from Lume Cube. We got the Air VC right there, and both those lights are making me a beautiful, handsome cowboy for y'all. But we're about to get a lot more lit today, if you know what I mean. And that's with the Lume Cube Panel Pro right here. 360 degrees of RGB light, Bluetooth technology. What is that? I don't know how. What is that? A Bluetooth? I don't know. This thing's got Bluetooth, but let's open it. Let's check it out. Got my trusty pocket knife. Let's open it up. Let's pop the sticker right there. All right. Pop the sticker right there. Let's open it up. I'm excited. The Panel Pro. Pop the lid off here. All right. Pop the lid. What do we got in this box? All right. Lid over there. Start here. All right. Follow these beautiful steps. All right. Here's the light. Got the little diffuser already attached to it. Let's check that out. Pop that off. As if you don't want the full bright light, you can add a little diffuser on there. Full bright light. Check this out. Got this little panel right here. Oh, wow. Right in my face. Lume Cube. Look at that. You can change the color temperature right there. Change the dimming. You want to go 100% all the way down to 0%. Holy cow. You can also change the look of the colors. You got, you can't see the green, but red, green, and blue right there. You can change. Right now it's on 100% red. Bam. Oh. Yeah. That's a good, great accent light. So you got one light over here. You can throw a little panel over here for the accent light. Of course, it's full blown. You can dim it a little bit. See what that looks like with the panel, with the diffuser on there. Oh, I look warm. I look warm, don't I? Whoo, that looks good. That looks good. What else we got in this box? Got our charging cable, USB-C. Plugs in right next to the little switch there. You can charge it, keep it charged up. It's got the mount head for you if you want to put it on your tripod on your phone or whatever you want to do. Also a travel pouch underneath here. Ooh, that's a nice, nice little travel pouch. You can slide that in there, take it with you on the go. Let's check this out. We gotta dim this thing. It's pretty bright. Look on the LED panel there. You can see how it's got a little arrow next to the level. Let's go down to like 25%. There we go. Pretty good. 25%. Change it to the temperature. 3000 K. All the way up to 5700 K. Now we got a more whiter light there. Now we're red. Purple. Any kind of color you want. Got to put in your RGB. Purple. There you go. There's your Twitch purple right there. Pretty cool. Color 301. So basically you go through and you got 360 different degrees color. Yellow. All the way to green. You just go through the whole rainbow with this light. Whatever your theme, whatever your brand of color is, do that. I like me a good blue light. Good accent light. Got your main light over there, and you throw this thing on the other side for an accent light. Makes you look damn good. All right? I like it. Downloaded my new app from Lume Cube. Lume Cube app. Boom. I can use Bluetooth. Hell yeah, I do. Let's go. Bluetooth pairing. Let's see what we got. To get the thing to connect to Bluetooth technology, hit the power button. It will show you the Lume Cube logo. Keep holding the power button on till you see the Bluetooth little pop up, and then it's going to connect to your app. So once you get this thing mounted right, with the tripod or wherever you want to do it. You can use your phone, right? Have full control of that back panel right at your fingertips right here. That way you don't have to go to the light, change it, and then put it back. Have it sitting up there on the tripod, ready to go, ready to control. Searching for devices right now. Device update successful. Full control. A lot more intuitive to use the controls on the phone to change your color temp. You want to go straight red. Woo! That's hot. Want to go green? Oh, I'm disappearing with the green screen. Look out. Yellow. Look good in the blue light. Blue light is my favorite color right there. There's a number of scenes already programmed into the light. It's pretty cool. There's the loop thing. It loops through all the colors there. You can see it changing. You got your lightning setting. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Thunder rolls and the lightning strikes. Bam, bam, bam. Fireplace effect. Gives you a little red light, but it then flickers a little bit. I can feel warmer already. Whew, that's nice. Also, we got the siren. Oh no, they're coming for me. Look out. They found this outlaw. Look out. That's pretty cool. Also got a little choose color wheel right here. Just put your finger on it. You can move it around. Different colors. That's pretty cool. Brightness bar. Up and down. So if you're a streamer like they're out there and you're looking for some nice accent color, you don't want to change the mood lighting, you got to get the Panel Pro. All right, it's going to give you a whole variety of different colors depending on what your color is. Right, you can choose whatever you like. It's not just for streamers though. If you're a photographer, a vlogger, or anything like that, get this light, throw it on your camera, throw it on your phone, throw it on a tripod. Light up your studio, light up the street. Wherever you're using the camera, the Lume Cube Panel Pro is perfect for you. So check it out. Live life in color with Lume Cube's Panel Pro. I'm excited to get to work on this. I'm thinking we might have to get rid of the green screen. Got a nice and blue mood light. Okay, I got my LED light panel light over there from Lume Cube on. Panel Pro right here. Gives you a good balance of light, good mood lighting going on. Great light. Love it. Love being lit by Lume Cube. It's just getting better with every new product they come out. I'm excited about this. You should check it out. Links below. Check it out. Get yourself some. The Panel Pro comes in a bunch of sizes too. There's a mini, there's a Go, and then there's the full size one. This one. So whatever suits your budget or whatever suits your need, I'm sure you can find a light. I'm sure you can find a light from Lume. Check it out.